Welcome back to Mach-E Connection. Today let's talk about paint flaking. Well, it's gonna be a pretty quick video today, but I promise you I'll do an update last week. So here's your update. Basically, I did go to the Ford dealership the Monday after that video went live, and my Ford dealership still has not been able to submit my claim to the Ford Motor Company about my paint flaking issue. I guess they're having some computer problems in this region, and they just haven't been able to get it submitted. So hopefully by next Monday, I go back, they would have some better news. But until then, I'm still on hold until we get the claim submitted and get resolved. So let's not waste this video. I want to show you guys all where you'll need to be looking on your own vehicles for paint flaking issues. One of the biggest areas I see people having issues is around your headlight. Right around this very edge here. I guess some vehicles, the headlight rubs a little bit and causes the paint just to come right off. Luckily my car looks pretty good here. There's no problems there. Again, another issue is around here on the lip of the grill. And again, I'm not noticing any problems here as well either. I'm sorry my car is covered in bugs and it's pretty dirty right now. Until my issue gets fixed or resolved, I don't want to wash my vehicle. Again, this book here. And right here, it does look like I got something right here. But that's just the bumper slightly bent down in there. But I don't see that's an issue. And we want to check all our fender flares. Let's go and check my other fender flare, make sure it's not flaking. You really should look over the whole vehicle. I'm showing you guys the most common areas I've seen people post in where they're having their paint issue. And another hot spot for this paint flaking issue is right around the hatch and bumper. So let's go and get that a look. So on your hatch, you want to basically look right inside this area here and make sure it's all good. You can see it looks pretty good here. And advice from my friend Ben the EV guy, see his channel posted down below. He recommends we also always check around this fold where the metal's here is folded down and welded. This is where his car had paint flaking issues. We're looking pretty good here. So definitely check that out. If you have issues there, thank Ben the EV guy for making it look. And of course we have my problem area. Let's go and get this thing a whole full look. Yeah, it's just that one area for me. Everything else looks pretty good. And final, we'll check the last fender flare. Basically anything that is plastic or where there's a fold in the paint, like where the weld's at in the hatch, you want to be looking at. What's causing this issue in our vehicles, I can't tell you. I'm not a paint expert at all. But the good news is most people that have had this issue in their vehicle, Ford has definitely taken care of them. So I'm confident that Ford's going to take care of me. And until then, I will let you all know what happens. So if there's no video next week, it's because I'm still waiting for answers. And until then, see y'all next time. Later.